In this video, I'll show you how to insert shapes in Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. You need to be logged into your Canva profile. So this is our Canva profile. I'll be dropping the link in this video description. So ensure you check it out whenever you're done with this video. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to click on this doc right here. That is create new. I'll click on it. Wait for it to open. Give it a few seconds. So you can see right here our doc has opened. That is a new blank document. So we want to insert shapes here in Canva. So what you need to do, you need to click on this element, right? If you click on this element, you see a whole lot of shapes you can insert. So you can come on here and type in circle. So I previously used circle to test run some things right here. So click on this circle, that is previous searches. So you can see there's a whole lot of circle here. So I can use this, right? Once you click on it, it will just open up. So this is basically a pie chart, and this is a shape in its own way. So you can reduce it, you can adjust it to big, it can be this small. So this is basically how you can insert shapes here in Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.